Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 礼拜一、礼拜二、礼拜三、礼拜四啦。
你冲狗呢？
你知道，其实很多英文歌里面有这样子唱的，他们喜欢把 Monday, Tuesday 那样子，因为会押韵。But you know what? In Hakka or even in Mandarin or Taiwanese, it's actually a lot simpler to name the days of the week. 其实在这个中文里面呢，还有Hakka里面，好像是不是礼拜几礼拜几，其实很简单，
差不多啦，
差不多啊。所以我们来教一下 ，Let's teach everyone how to say Monday through Sunday in Hakka. Starting with Monday 就是礼拜一咯，
礼拜一，
礼拜一。Okay, now Tuesday 礼拜二呢？
礼拜二，
礼拜二。So you see, it's 礼拜，然后1、2、3、4、5、6、7嘛，
对啊，
是这样子吗？
对啊。
哦 ，OK， 所以 that was Tuesday. Wednesday 礼拜三，
礼拜三，
礼拜三。Thursday 礼拜四，
礼拜四，
礼拜四要带你去看戏。That's Thursday. Friday 礼拜五，
礼拜五，
礼拜五。Okay, that's Friday. Saturday
礼拜六，
礼拜六and Sunday 礼拜七。
哪有礼拜七呢？礼拜日。
哦，你啊，对嘛，中文也是嘛，礼拜天啊，礼拜日啊，都可以。Okay, that's Sunday. 再一次，
礼拜日，
礼拜日。那我们常常也会想要教一下这个海陆腔是怎么样啊？
好，礼拜日，礼拜日。
哦，那个 tone is a little different with this other dialect. 礼拜，再讲。
礼拜日，
礼拜日。
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to ask Alice right now. Now I know the days of the week. I can ask, do you have time next Sunday? 下礼拜天，下礼拜日啊，你有没有空啊？
下礼拜日。有喊吗？
我没有在叫你教啊，我回答我的问题啊。
张磊讲啊，
再说是？没有开玩笑哈，就是要教。下礼拜日你有没有空？再教一次。
下礼拜日。
下礼拜日。
有喊吗？
有喊吗？
Oh,
that means do you have time next Sunday? Okay, so now you know how to use these terms, the days of the week. You can use it in your daily conversation in Hakka. Just to review it quickly, 我们很快的复习就礼拜怎么说？礼拜，然后呢，1、2、3、4、5、6日。
1、2、3、4、5、6日。
1、2、3、4、5、6日。Yeah, there you go. Put it in, and you got your days of the week. And that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.